In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project plan in Smartsheet from scratch. First, open Smartsheet and sign in so we can get started. From the home area, create a new sheet. Choose sheet, then decide whether to start with a blank sheet or use a project template. If you're new, a template gives you a helpful head start with a Gantt timeline already configured. But a blank sheet is great if you want full control. Next, set up your project columns. Add task name for what needs to be done. Assign to for the owner. Start date and end date to define timing, status to communicate progress, and priority to highlight urgency. Make sure each column has the right type. Set start date and end date to date. Assign to contact list so you can choose people from your directory. And use drop-downs or symbols for status and priority to keep entries consistent. Now enter your project tasks, one per row. Keep names short and action-oriented. If a task is big, break it into smaller subtasks so you can track progress more accurately. This makes scheduling and reporting much easier down the line. Add your start and end dates for each task. Switch to Gantt view to see your timeline visually. If the bars don't look right, adjust dates until the schedule reflects reality. Gantt view is great for spotting overlaps or gaps. By the way, if you need Smartsheet, you'll find the official link at the very top of the description, so you can open it in your browser or download the app and follow along. Next, open project settings and enable dependencies. Confirm which columns hold your start and end dates and specify the predecessors column. This turns on automatic scheduling. With dependencies enabled, go to the predecessors column and enter the task numbers that must be completed before a task can start. As you add these, Smartsheet automatically updates dates, and you'll see your timeline adjust instantly in Gantt view. Assign each task to a team member using the Assigned to column. Choose people from the drop-down so they receive notifications and can jump in right away. Track progress by updating the status column regularly and checking off tasks when they're done. Monitor both the grid and Gantt views to see what's on track and what needs attention. Finally, share the sheet with your team to collaborate. Use comments to discuss details and attachments to store briefs, specs, or screenshots. Everyone sees changes in real time, which keeps the plan aligned and the team focused. Building a project plan in Smartsheet helps your team stay organized, manage dependencies correctly, and deliver on time. Thanks for watching.